I've had 2 ACL reconstructions along with meniscus repairs. Recently I tore my meniscus in my right knee again, so that was the second time they'd had to go in and trim it out, so it wasn't much left to deal with. So instead I got a meniscus transplant. I had a major deficit in my right leg. Most of my muscle had atrophied away. My right leg was way skinnier. I couldn't perform any daily functions, like walking, just standing was hard. I'm using the B-Strong bands to really exert my muscles by putting them through a workout that feels like one of the heaviest workouts I've gone through in a while. But again, I don't have to put my joints under that max stress. A really challenging workout where you would put your muscles through the most that they can exert without putting your joints and the rest of your body under a ton of stress and tension. I get the feeling of max fatigue, and it'll get me to the point where I feel like I've had the hardest workout I've done in years. I would recommend using the B-Strong bands to anyone. They give you an amazing workout where you feel that your muscles haven't worked that hard in a long time. But afterwards, you'll recover quickly because you don't put your body under a large amount of stress by doing max loads. So you get the benefit of feeling like you've gone through a really tough workout, but then the recovery isn't long afterwards.